What if I told you that being a small YouTuber in 2026 is actually your secret weapon? See, the thing is, the big channels are losing touch, and people like us are the ones winning right now. Sounds kind of wild, right? I know you're not going to believe me, but it's actually true. I'm going to show you why. So, even if you're like me and you only have 120 something subs, I'm going to show you that no matter what number you're starting at, you still have an advantage. If you're tired of the boring YouTube advice and you want to join the new wave of creators, you're in the right place. So let's go. Here's the thing. This is what so many people get wrong, and it's such an easy mistake to make. I've done it a million times myself. When you're a small creator, the first thing that you think is, well, I have to do what the big channels do. But here's what I've learned. You don't need to. In fact, you shouldn't. And if you do, it might even cause you to not grow as fast as you should. You see, small creators are winning because we're real, we're fast, and we actually care. When you understand this, you'll stop feeling like an outsider. You'll start building a real community, and you'll feel proud every time you help someone in your videos. My name is Kim, 53 years old, building this channel in public. Right now, I have 120 something subscribers, and I started at 0 just like you. And I'm obviously no YouTube superstar, although I have created some somewhat successful channels in the past, but nothing focused on YouTube growth. I'm just a regular person. I am sharing strategies that worked in the past, and then I'm also going to share strategies that are currently working right now in 2026. And if I can do this, you can too. Let's play a game for a second. We have us, small creators, new creators, people starting from 0, people who want help, people who want to learn. And then you have them, the big channels, the gurus, people who started maybe 5, 10 years ago, people who forgot what it's like to be brand new. And why this matters to you is because big channels have big audiences, but they're slow to change. They're stuck in their ways. They're going to keep doing videos the same way that they're producing videos. Now, small creators, we're fast, we're flexible, we can try new things. And in fact, we should try new things. We could talk to our viewers and actually listen to what they tell us. When you join us, team, you're part of a movement. You're not just another channel. You are a real person that's building something real. 5 reasons why small YouTubers are winning is, first reason, super simple. A lot of the big channels have scripts, editors, huge production team. Some of them even have actors. Us small creators, we're just us. We make mistakes, we laugh, we're honest, and we want to help people. Here's what you'll gain. People want to connect with real people. When you're real, people trust you and they subscribe. And chances are, those bigger channels started the same way that we started. A one-man show, and then they became big enough to be able to hire the production team and stuff like that. But the good part is we don't have to start off with a production team. That's what I love about this, because it levels the playing field for anyone to get started, regardless of age, regardless of money, regardless of having a great camera. Reason number 2 is we can talk to everyone. Big channels, they get thousands of comments on their videos. They can't reply to everyone. Us small creators, because we're small, we can reply to every comment, answer every question, and make our viewers feel so special. And here's why that matters. When you reply to someone, they feel seen. They come back. Reason number 3, we can try new things. Big channels sometimes maybe are afraid to make any changes, because if they try something new and it flops, they lose money. Us small creators, we can experiment. We can make silly videos. We can try new topics, and we can see what works. And here's what you'll gain. You can find your style faster. You can have more fun. You can grow in ways that big channels can't. Reason number 4 is we are closer to our audience. Big channels feel like celebrities. Smaller channels, they feel like our friends. Why this matters is people want to relate to the people that they're watching. And when you share a story, your struggles, your wins, people root for you. People want you to win. People will watch you to see you win. Reason number 5 is we can learn real marketing. Big channels simply rely on their size. Small channels have to learn real marketing and selling skills, how to talk to people, how to share value, how to build a brand. These are skills that you will be able to use forever, not just on YouTube, but for any business that you decide to get involved in. You might be thinking, how do I actually get people to buy from me or support my channel before I'm monetized? And here's why this matters to you. Learning how to connect and grow as a small creator is just the first step. The next step is learning real marketing and selling skills so you can earn an income even before you're monetized. Because let's face it, we're not on YouTube for free. I've actually done that in the past, and it's a lot of work. If you want to learn how to sell online and earn before you hit 1,000 subscribers, check out the free masterclass and the link in the description. And of course, there's no pressure. There's just an option if you want to grow faster and earn money fast. Let me know. Make a comment. Are you a small creator? How many subs do you have? I want you to make a video this week sharing your story and why you created your YouTube channel. If I can do this at the age of 53 after getting laid off, you can too, and in public, no less. I want you to build your channel along with me. So don't forget to subscribe. If you want to learn real marketing and selling skills, not just YouTube tricks, although you'll learn some of them too, check out the free masterclass in the description below.